For over a century, Tuttnauer has defined excellence in infection control solutions, partnering with leading hospital, laboratory, healthcare clinics, and veterinary sectors to protect what matters most. Today, that manufacturing excellence is trusted globally, supported by a network of over 1,200 distributors across 150 countries. We deliver complete, turnkey infection control solutions, from planning and design to installation and post-service consultation. Every day, in clinics around the world, millions of patients place their trust in healthcare professionals. Behind every safe treatment is a process most people never see. Tuttnauer offers a complete infection control solution that supports every stage of the clinical sterilization process. It starts with cleaning. Tuttnauer ultrasonic cleaners remove debris while reducing manual handling and cross-contamination risk. Tuttnauer Tiva washer disinfectors control automated washing, disinfection, and drying with HEPA filtration, advanced cycles, and full documentation. Compact or high capacity, the Tiva product line fits every workflow. Cleaning isn't enough. Secure packaging helps maintain sterility until use. Sterilization is at the heart of safe patient care. Tuttnauer's small to mid-size autoclaves are trusted worldwide for quality and performance, with a product line that offers Class B, Class S, and Class N systems to support a wide range of clinical needs. Tuttnauer exclusive T-Connect software offers a comprehensive ecosystem for real-time monitoring, traceability, and preventative maintenance detection. Our sterilization solutions are engineered and manufactured under the highest international regulatory and quality control standards. From decontamination to sterilization, Tuttnauer delivers a complete solution, trusted as one of the most sought-after partners in healthcare, shaping the future of sterilization and infection control. Tuttnauer. Innovation, legacy, partnership.